Hey guys, day one of SEMA. We're going to be in booth 23677. Come by and say hi if you guys are in the area or attending the show. Let's do a quick walkthrough of our booth. Some of the stuff you guys all know and love us for is our serpentine systems. We've got carts here with all of our Chevy systems, supercharged and naturally aspirated. If we kind of work down here to our hood hinges and trunk hinges, we've got a few new things. First one we got here that we'll want to show off is going to be the highly anticipated second generation square body hinge. So that's 80 to 87 Chevy trucks. A lot of guys have been asking about that. We call this one the Terminator. Then we've also got OBS pickups. That'd be our 88 to 98 Chevy trucks. We call this one the Baby Terminator. We also got a couple new trunk hinges too available as well this year. Assortment of things. Make sure you come and check those out. Moving on to our next display, we've got almost all of our LS systems set up. We've got a new blower set up with wide mount for LS. We're offering a new electric water pump system this year. We'll also be offering electric water pumps shortly. That'll be beginning of next year. We'll be offering those as well to get purchased with the kits. All the blower setups, naturally aspirated setups, everything's set up here, carbon fiber. This next cart is all new product. So we are offering door handles this year, brand new for this year, being debuted here at SEMA 23. Multitude of different finishes. We're offering these in polished aluminum, clear coated, black anodized. We've got carbon fiber options and a couple different cutout options as well. Moving on to the other side of this cart, again, all new for this year. We've got billet water necks at multiple different angles. They're built to swivel. We're also now making clamps for AN fittings on our radiators. That's a brand new product, patent pending on that guy. We're also going to have clamps for water pumps too coming up shortly. Moving into the middle here, we also do bumpers for off-road trucks. We're in the heavy-duty market right now. We've also got a booth hall for all of our off-road bumpers. Come and check that out as well if you're here. We've got a truck on display. We also offer a line of recovery accessories, winches, shackles, receivers, all the goodies you need. And then moving on to our last booth, this is going to have Ford, Cadillac, an assortment of the other engines. A few new things to point out here is going to be our new system for the Coyote engine. That's been highly anticipated from a few guys. And then moving on to the other side here, we're offering a new reverse rotation system as well for the Ford small block engine. This will allow you to use the standard power steering pump from like your Fox Body Ford, your 80s Ford pickups. A lot of guys have been asking for this. We've been listening. You finally got it. We're in Hot Rod Alley again, booth 23677. Make sure you come and say hi if you're here in the area.